Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, June 14th, 2019. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. We have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 6 points right now to 28.88 and a quarter per contract. All in all, the futures were a bit lower right around 6 o'clock in the morning, but they have rebounded quite a bit. So we'll see how this plays out. But here is the big news. We don't have a big day of earnings. In fact, we really only have one earnings report that really matters to the market, and that's from Broadcom. So ticker symbol AVGO, they reported earnings last night. The stock closed at 281.61, now trading at 256.70. Ouch, it's a big haircut. Look at the daily chart. That is all the way back down to that big 250 level, which was held last time. I think it can break here, so be a little bit careful with this. We'll see how it plays out. I have levels worked out for AVGO already, and we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. Now, in sympathy to the AVGO decline, we have lots of stocks in the news. Skyworks, SWKS. That stock right now is trading at around $70.50. That will be on our radar today. We want to look at Xilinx. Xilinx right now trading at 105. This closed at 108.35. We want to look at Lam Research. This is trading at 176. It closed at 180.23 yesterday. So we have lots of different names in the semiconductor space to look at today. Qualcomm. Qualcomm closed at 69.93, now trading at 68.25. Western Digital could be in play today. WDC. This traded out at 37.34, now trading at 36.55. Micron, another one. This closed at 33.38, now trading at 32.40. So you can see a lot of different semiconductors out here. Let's do a couple more. NVIDIA today closed at 148.26, now trading at 144.40. This went basically down to 143 in the pre-market. So again, we'll be keeping all of these semiconductors on the radar. And if you just want to look at the semiconductors as a whole, you could just use the SMH, which is the semiconductor ETF. This is now trading at 102.60, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Again, we have all these semiconductors and others in play today. So we will be watching those stocks. We'll see if they give us a chance to make some money there. But either way, AVGO will be first on our board. Now, you also want to watch other companies. You want to watch Apple today. Apple is heavily, does a lot of business with Broadcom. And you're going to see that stock right now today trading at 191.86, closed at 194.15. So again, nothing terrible here for Apple, but it is lower ahead of the opening bell. And that's what sometimes that's what you have to look for. You'll get opportunities in those other names. All right, let's go over to the gold market today. Gold futures right now are catching a big bid. Looks like we have gold up about $9.30 to $1,353 an ounce. So when you take a look at gold today, great little move there ahead of the opening bell. And if you take a look at the GLD, it's starting to slip here a little bit, but nonetheless, the GLD almost got to 128. So not a bad move right now, settling in at 127.35. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But gold has been very strong as of late. Gold miners also very strong. Take a look at the GDX today. That is trading at 123.61. This closed at 123.24. So a nice little 40-cent pop there in the GDX, which is the gold miners ETF. Couple of gold miners running. You got Kirkland, that is ticker symbol KL. That is trading at 39.01. I think I also saw FNV, Franco Nevada. Yeah, that is up as well at 79. So some of these are making a move. Now, we do have an IPO today. I believe it's Chewy. This is a online pet shop. CHWY is the ticker symbol there. So, again, watch for that one in a little while. That'll debut today. Looking over at these futures, they are dipping a little bit now, down 7.5 points. We're not going to make too much out of it. We'll see where we go. NASDAQ futures, because of the move in Broadcom, are lower today. They're trading down around 48 points lower. So, again, we want to watch that as well. But we'll see what this market gives us once the opening bell rings. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. I will be in there today, this morning, so you can trade right alongside of us. And with that being said, everybody, we're having a great 2019. Come join us, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.